YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the Tuesday morning haul, small haul. Just want to show you what I got. They had the removable dots back again, and the permanent ones and the lines, but I just got the removable ones. I use this a lot for swaps when I'm sending out stuff. You can stick it to the removable dots, and they are $2.49. Did get one pad of paper. Oh, they had tons of paper pads, tons. But I did get this Jungle Safari because I had the chipboard and got a lot of zoo pictures, grandson, so you know, could use those elements. And that was $2.99. That's Echo Park, a Jungle Safari, really colorful. And like I said, a chipboard. I'm looking for the ephemera. But I seen a chipboard, and they had different types of candy dots. And I did get all three because these are colors you don't see as much. But these are the red, the different gradation and sizes for the red, sweet clementine. And they have the stamps and the ephemera and the paper pad to go along with all of this, the whole collection. But I just got these, and they were $1.99. Wish they were cheaper, but anyway, they had the two shades of pink. And then they had them in the heart shape. So again, if you're looking for that collection, the clementine, sweet clementine, they had all the chipboard. The only thing, they had the ephemera, the chipboard, the 6x6 and the 12x12 paper pad, the enamel dots, and I think about 4 different stamp sets to go along with this set. It was in the store all in 1 week, which was pretty cool. And this one has been out for a while. With the Fiskars. I just decided I really looked at it. It's different than my other EK Success Banner Punch. But anyway, I got that one. And that's how it looks. Similar, but just got a different shape. And I like punches, even though they get stuck sometimes. I did pick up, and this is a repeat too, with the Creative Devotion. This came out this week, separate from the other stuff that I got the week before. And again, my videos are behind, but I usually post my Instagram, so I'm still behind on my videos. But this was, I know Hobby Lobby too as well. So this has a lot of words, and it's 311 stickers, and these biblical words, Christian words, and so you know it's hard to find those. So definitely got an extra one of those. They actually have about 10 or 12 of these. I should have got a couple more. And then the other sticker set like that I got, which was by Amy Tangerine, which is really cute and colorful. I love it, and it's dimensional. Is this 20-piece layered paper sticker set, and you got gold foil and vellum accents. So really nice, fun, dimensional elements. So that's that one. And that's that on the layout. And then this is the last one too I got, as far as kind of ephemera like. And this one, of course, is called Media Faith. And this one is by my Momenta, but it's got some very similar words. And I was thinking about these for my Bible decks that I make, or even some ICs. So I just thought they were cute because you have things like, I like this, learn from yesterday, live for today. That's a good quote too. You know, faith makes all things possible, shine your light, God is love. So I got that one. And I hope the light is not too bad. It's early in the morning and the blinds are open. And then I did get a couple dies, didn't get all. I was a ton to choose from, but I didn't. I just got a couple sentiments. They had several other ones. Congratulations, love. Again, go to my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1. I posted them all up there. This one says best wishes, and these are $3.99. So again, got 3 cuts with that. This is party, and what I did was I just got the ones that I really don't have. Well, I don't have that many of them. They had tons of creative die set, as far as like the panels for cards, all kinds. The ones you can make 2-panel cards, 1-panel cards, the little 2 inches, the inches, 2 inches, 20s that you could put on a card and make different size card fonts. They had probably about 8 design of those. It's just a lot of different ones. But anyway, these are the only 2 I got. I don't know why I like this one, but this is one of the creative card panels on the front too, and this is torn panel. I thought that was just so different and unique. And that's how it looks. And then this one I thought I loved too because it has an Art Deco, you know, and I've got several stamps and different stuff with Art Deco. So I wanted to get that one. Art Deco always reminds me of a peacock, but. And then last I got this one. I got the other one with the girl bending over at the lake or whatever, but this one is her watering. This is called Wash Day. 19 pieces, and of course you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies, and then 13 stamps. So I like it. It's just like the other one is build a scene. So you can of course stamp it separately. You can cut it if you want a silhouette, or you can combine the two. And this of course coordinates with the scene paper pad. But even if you don't have the scene paper pad, you can make your own scene out of it, which is what I'm going to do. But anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.